Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. Today I wish to discuss how to get current date and time in Excel immediately within 10 seconds. There is one good function in Excel which helps you to do this. So how to do that? Simply is equal to now open bracket, close bracket, enter. So you get the current date and time. Of course, if you want to have more precise with AM and PM, you can simply go here, format cells. Here is the format, add AM, PM. Okay. So in this way you can get the date and time with AM and PM to be more precise. I hope you like this video, and if yes, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.